Hello students, hope all are doing great and practicing maths at home. Students, I request you to take your maths classwork, textbook and a pen so that you can copy the notes along with the video. Okay, today's topic is differentiation of a function with respect to another functions. Students, I hope the school reopens very soon, and it's very important for you to keep in touch with mathematics. Okay, so please take up the maths lessons very seriously, and once the school reopens, it's going to be very easy for you to solve all the problems based on the topics. Okay students, and I do understand it's very difficult for you to study all by yourself. Okay, but no worries, I'm always there to help you in maths. If you have any doubts, any clarifications, you can always catch me in the messenger, or you can leave me a message in VLE. I'll be happy to help you students. Yeah, okay, great. Now we'll be coming back to the today's class, that is differentiation of one function with respect to another function. Okay, suppose if you have u is equal to f of x and v is equal to g of x, be the two given functions, then when you're going to differentiate f of x with respect to g of x, that is when you're going to differentiate u with respect to v, we have to use this formula: du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. Okay, when we solve the problem, you will understand how we are going to use this formula. Okay, in the previous video, we discussed about parametric functions. Corrections, parametric functions where both equations are assigned to a third variable t, or it could be theta, or any third variable, right? In this topic, we have two equations, that is u is f of x, v is g of x. These are the two given equations. Then how we are going to differentiate u with respect to v? We will use this formula. Okay, du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. So what we are going to do, basically we have to differentiate u with respect to x, and we have to differentiate v with respect to x. Okay, and then finally we'll use this formula du by dv, which is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. Okay students, we'll be solving the problem based on this to have more clarity. Okay, so what you can do is you can take page number 550 in from your textbook, exercise 5J. You can copy the problem number 2. This is also very important for exam point of view. Okay, understand the question. I'm telling every time, it's very important for you to understand the question. Okay, the question is differentiate x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 with respect to 3x square minus x plus 2. In the previous videos, we discussed differentiate with respect to x. Am I right? But here, see the question, you are differentiating one function with respect to another function. Okay, so what we will do is, okay, we will first assign this equation to be u and this equation to be v. So how we are going to solve? We will see. Okay, solution. First take u is equal to, what is the given equation? X cube minus x square minus x plus 1. And what is v? The next equation is 3x square minus x plus 2. Okay, we'll take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So this problem is of the form differentiation of one function with respect to another function. That's why you have to have the clarity, understand, visualize the problem, what problem it is. what rule to apply. Okay, then only it's going to be easy and simple for you to solve. Okay, now what we will do, we'll differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Okay, this is of the form differentiation of one function with respect to another function. So for that, what we will do, we'll differentiate u with respect to x. Yeah, and then we'll differentiate v with respect to x, and then finally we'll find what is du by dv. Okay, students, here we go. What is differentiation of u with respect to x? Du by dx, right? Which is equal to, so here you have minus, minus, plus. So we have to apply the sum rule in differentiation. We have to differentiate each and every term. What is differentiation of x cube? By now you would have known what is differentiation of x cube. There is 3x square, applying the power rule, minus differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of x will give you 1. Okay, already have minus, so minus 1. Differentiation of constant will become 0. We got du by dx. Right, friends? Next, what we will do, we will differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. We have to differentiate this equation 2 with respect to x. What is differentiation of v with respect to x? dv by dx, right? Which is equal to, what is differentiation of 3x square? Apply the power rule. 2 3s are 6, 6x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. So 6x minus differentiation of x will give you 1. Differentiation of 2 will be 0 because it is a constant term. Okay, so it's very simple. It's, we are using the sum rule in differentiation. All right. So if you have not watched my previous videos on rules of differentiation, you can watch it to have more clarity. Okay, students, because you should know the basics. Then only we can solve it. We got what is dy by dx, and we also got du by dx, right? You can just have a look how we have solved so far. The problem is not yet over. The question is differentiate, okay, one function x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 with respect to 3x square minus x plus 2. We assign the first equation to be u and the second equation to be v. We differentiated equation 1 with respect to x. We got du by dx is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Similarly, we differentiated equation 2 with respect to x. We got dv by dx is equal to 6x. Differentiation of 3x square is 6x minus differentiation of x will give you 1. Differentiation of 2 is a constant. It will become 0. Correct? Now what we have to do, we have to find what is du by dv. Alright, what is the formula to calculate du by dv? Du by dv is nothing but du by dx divided by dv by dx. Correct, students? So I can write it as du by dv. We have to find what is du by dv, which is du by dx divided by dv by dx. This is the formula. Correct, students? So what we got, du by dx, I'm just substituting in the formula. Okay. So what is the formula? What is du by dx? We have 3x square. Am I right? So 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Right? Divided by, what is your dv by dx? 6x minus 1. This is your du by dv. Du by dv. Can we cancel any of the terms? No, we cannot cancel. Alright. So finally the answer is du by dv is equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 1. The whole term divided by 6x minus 1. That's it. Is it very simple, students? This is the final answer. You can just have a look how we have solved so far. We found du by dx. We found dv by dx. We substituted in the formula du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. Understood? Now the task is, you have to take page number 550. Okay, and then you can take exercise 5J from your textbook. You can do the first problem. Second problem I have already done. Okay, x square with respect to x cube. Take u as x square, v is x cube. Differentiate u with respect to v. Okay, the same method how I applied, for the previous problem, same method you can do it. Okay, similarly you can do the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? Sine cube x with respect to cos cube x. Okay, same thing. Assign u is sine cube x, v is cos cube x, and then you have to find what is du by dv. It's very, very simple. Okay, similarly you can also do problem number 7. First problem, log x with respect to 1 by x. Same method. U is log x, v is 1 by x. Differentiate u with respect to v and get the answer. And then you can also do some example problems. You can do page number 549. You can do example 31, subdivision 1, subdivision 2. You can also do example 30. Okay, students, after doing this, what you're going to do is, you can take a picture and this time you can submit in Google Classroom. Okay, why Google Classroom is, sometimes you might have assessment in Google Classroom. So you should be knowledgeable in operating Google Classroom also. Okay, students, so what you can do is, you can click a photo and submit in the Google Classroom. Okay. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubts, you can catch me during the weekdays. Okay, students, have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.